Hi, and welcome to Blog Group. Today, we're taking a look at 12 things you can do in the time of quarantine. Amidst the outbreak of the infectious COVID-19, the entire world is locked for safety and security in quarantine. To say a tough time is upon us is a bit of an understatement. Even if you aren't directly affected by the unwelcomed guest corona, you're most certainly hit mentally by its repercussions across the globe. It's completely natural to feel so. We are in a situation where we are confused and scared of each other. It's time to turn the hourglass and look at the pandemic effect all over. Optimizing the time and space in this outbreak, here's a list of things you can try out while in the quarantine period. Number 1. Read, and read. Not every situation is bad and choking, if you can find out a positive way to it. Looking into a situation with all your goodness in a skill, you can upgrade it now. Reading is one of the foremost things that we are going away from. Having the skill to analyze will give you a better understanding of a situation if you're a learned person. Explore all sorts of books that interest you. Read about the historical outbreaks, read literature, read political movements, and read poetries of that period, when the world was fighting and writers were at their best creating flowing poems. This will enrich your skill, your language, and your knowings. There are innumerous movies where you can learn the art of making and knowing. Watch out for those. Watching good movies is a part of reading and learning. Number 2. Reconnect to your old friends and family. In a fast-paced life, we have forgotten to stay connected to our people. The siblings, the old friends, night out and home parties have lost their flavor in the growing era. In this quarantine period, you can easily make digital medium a way to reconnect to your loved ones. The virtual connection while practicing social distancing can be both great ways to spend your quarantine days. Number 3. Explore an online course. Have you been procrastinating on learning something new? Be it a language or calligraphy or video editing or even marketing. There are so many websites which offer a good number of courses. You can enjoy exploring and learning something effective to make your day out possibly interesting. Number 4. Learn to play an instrument. Having enough time sitting at home can get your life better if you tune into some amazing music tracks. But music is something we always listen to while working or when we are idle. Learning up a new instrument is amazing to make your quarantine period worth staying at home. It is the best thing to explore right now. You can take the music and instrument lesson from YouTube videos. This will help in the long term. Number 5. Fitness freaks. Try out online yoga classes and exercises at home. Who said quarantine is boring? Fitness lovers can simply log into the yoga website, where online classes are offered at affordable prices. Without spending much, you are aligned with your fitness regime. Practicing yoga will not only keep you fit, but enhance your mental stability to meditate and bring in peace. Number 6. Cook and keep your moods high. Undoubtedly, cooking makes us happy, doesn't it? Cooking any delightful dish will not only entice your taste buds by making your days good, smooth, and happy. There is an ample number of YouTube channels to watch and enjoy cooking and baking your favorite dessert. It's a psychological fact that if your tummy is happy, you are obliged to feel good. Cooking reduces depression. It's a great exercise to keep your brain working and happy. Number 7. Find DIY projects and craft your likable things. Well, an artist in you is hidden. Let's bring it out for quarantine days. Visit the online DIY projects and craft something which suits you. This will not only keep you engaged, but you will learn something to craft. Decorating your house with handmade crafts is a lovely way to spend time fruitfully. It includes fabric crafts, spin, weave, painting, wood crafts, quilts, and decorate cakes. Number 8. Become a homemaker. Helping your mom with all the household works is the best way to unload her with the works. Home is the heart of the family, and taking care of housework is a way to keep your family safe and secured. Washing, cooking, cleaning, filling empty bottles, and water plants will make your day go smoothly. It's a great idea to reduce the household chores and help each other. Number 9. Pamper yourself. With everything you are doing, pampering too comes on the way. Use haldi, potato juice, curd, and lemon and apply it all over. Keep it for some time and rinse it well. Keeping yourself mentally happy with self-pampering is a great way to reduce boredom. You don't necessarily have to go to the parlor. Small tricks played at home will keep you shining. Number 10. Listen to the podcast. In a digitally enhanced world, there are amazing online platforms and social media to keep you engaged. There are over 7,000 audios and videos on the podcast, which comes free. You can explore them. These are screened, whereas you'll find thousands to keep you entertained and inspired. If you are interested in stimulating your brain, we recommend you to explore this part. Simply view the collection available in free and listen on your iPhone or Spotify. Number 11. Build a professional website. Well, if you are a professional who hates sitting idle, now is the time to do something for yourself. Open your laptop and log into the free websites like WordPress and build one of your choices. You need to find a domain that suits your tastes or interests you. Select a theme, create an ID, and get going step by step. Working for yourself will give you satisfaction to have something that you personally own using your skill and talent. Number 12. Pen down your goals. To make the company happy, you have completely given up on your dreams. Quarantine time has brought to you those lost moments where you can sit, think about yourself, and plan out what you wish to explore. Write down all the to-dos and make sure once the lockdown is over, you start chasing your dreams. Giving time to yourself is hard. Setting out a plan to do something in life requires courage. As a result, watch short films, movies, and read a good book that you like, and soon you'll realize how important it is to give time to yourself. In fact, quarantine period may be struggling, but if taken in another way, it is self-building time. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, please push the notification bell to get the latest updates, and don't forget to subscribe to receive all of our latest videos. And share this with your dear ones. For more information, please visit blogrope.com.